Welcome to Blue Flame Firefighting LLC, a leading supplier and installation service provider for firefighting, fire suppression system and fire alarm systems in UAE and North Africa.
Co2 Fire Extinguisher Supplier in Dubai. We supply all kinds of fire extinguishers in Dubai. Blue Flame Firefighting is a leading supplier of co2 fire extinguisher in Dubai. We are also doing refilling and maintenance of fire extinguisher in Dubai and in other emirates of UAE. We are the largest supplier of CO2 and DCP fire extinguisher cylinders in United Arab Emirates.
CO2 is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide. It is a non-flammable gas found naturally in the atmosphere in very small quantities and is easy to chemically mass produce. When highly compressed, it forms a liquid, and it is this liquid phase that is used in CO2 fire extinguishers. When the CO2 in the fire extinguisher is discharged, the pressure drop causes the liquid to revert back to gas. This process also requires heat, which is taken from the surrounding air, so the discharge is extremely cold. To prevent cold burns to the skin, our CO2 extinguishers have a special double skin insulated discharge horn for protection. If yours does not have this safety feature, handle with extreme care, or better still, wear protective gloves as an added precaution when using. The jet of carbon dioxide gas discharged suppresses the fire by blasting away the surrounding oxygen in the air and replacing it with carbon dioxide. Without oxygen, one of the three elements of the fire triangle, the fire cannot burn and is extinguished. Put another way, the carbon dioxide snuffs out the fire. Carbon dioxide fire extinguishers are primarily intended for use on Class B fires, which include all flammable liquids such as petrol, oil, and diesel, but also other common flammable liquids like acetones, ketones, and solvents used in cleaning products. The exception to the rule is cooking oil and cooking fat fires. CO2 won't be effective and may spread the fire. Go see our videos on wet chemical extinguishers and fire blankets for a solution. Another advantage of using carbon dioxide is that unlike water, CO2 is electrically non-conductive. Also, unlike powder and foam, CO2 leaves no chemical or solid residue that may damage or contaminate sensitive electrical circuitry or valuable assets. In today's high-tech world, it's no wonder CO2 extinguishers are a must-have for premises containing sensitive and expensive electrical equipment. The combination of properties of CO2 fire extinguishers means they have a host of commercial applications in laboratories, server rooms, clean rooms, and engine compartments. They are also installed in museums, galleries, and historic buildings to protect valuable artifacts. Just a few precautionary notes on using CO2 extinguishers. Although carbon dioxide is very cold as it comes out of the extinguisher, this does not mean it will always be effective on fires involving materials like paper, wood, and fabrics, as the oxygen displacement is only temporary, and such fires may continue to smoulder and reignite. Remember too that the carbon dioxide discharged replaces oxygen in the air, and if inhaled in a confined space can possibly result in asphyxiation, so take care and ventilate the area as soon as the fire is under control. And remember, when it comes to your safety, come to fireandsafetycentre.co.uk.
Visit our website to contact us or call mobile number 00971528078039. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.